Good morning, students. Welcome you all in Jayavant Public School and Junior College. I am Rupali Chalwadi, your English teacher. Today again I will going to explain you adverbs part 2 video lesson number 7. Okay, so we will start. So before I start explaining you lesson number 7 adverbs, so we will remember what we learned in the previous session. Okay, so what we learned in the previous sessions that are what are adverbs, what adverbs tells us, types of adverbs. Okay, so you all remember that adverb is the fifth part of parts of speech. So we already covered nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjective, and this is the fifth part, that is the adverbs. Okay, so what exactly is an adverb? So adverb means they add meaning to a verb, adjective, and another adverb. Okay, now we will see the definition. An adverb is a word which describes or modifies the verb. Adjectives and another adverb are called adverbs. So if I ask you the question, what is an adverb? You should know adverbs describes verb, adjectives, and another adverb are called adverb. Okay, so we already know that what exactly adjectives and what exactly verbs are. So adjective means what? Adjective describes noun and pronoun. You should remember always that adjective describes noun and pronoun, whereas adverb describes verb, adverb, adjectives. Okay, now you should remember that adverb just describes or add more meaning to the sentence. It just add additional information in a sentence. Okay, adverbs add additional information in a sentence. So you should know this, that it is not very essential in a sentence if there is no adverbs or adjective, but without noun or pronoun the sentence is very difficult to have a sentence. To without noun or pronoun, noun, pronoun, verb. So without noun, pronoun, verb, sentence is not framing. So it is very difficult to have a sentence without noun, verb, and pronoun. But if there is no adverb or adjective, the sentence can be framed. So noun, pronoun, verb are the backbone of the sentence. But adverb and adjective just are give more meaning and information in the sentence. Okay, understood till here? Now we will see the example of adverbs. Slowly, gracefully, outside, yesterday, there, very. These are the examples of adverbs. So how I divided the adverbs like slowly, gracefully, outside, yesterday, there, very. So these are the adverbs. Again in few minutes I will tell you how the adverbs divided in the types. Okay, so first we will see the sentence example. She walks slowly, Lata danced gracefully, it is raining outside. Okay, how, when, where, how often, all this we will learn in the types of adverbs. Okay, now types of adverbs. So there are several types of adverbs, but we will focus on four types of adverbs. First, adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of place. So these are the four types of adverbs. So what exactly adverb in a sentence modifies? So adverb is a word, it modifies verb, adjective, adverbs in a sentence. So what exactly adverb does here? Adverb is a word, it's modified verb, adjective, adverb in a sentence. Okay, so what does the modify means? It adds or changes the meaning of a sentence, meaning of a verb, adjective, another adverb in a sentence. Okay, now we will see each modification with some example to make the things very clear. How does an adverb modifies or change? the verb or action performed by the sentence. So how often, how, where, when. So all these are the types of adverb. Like adverbs of frequency tells us how often the sentence changes, how the sentence act, where the sentence act, and at what time, when the sentence act. In this way, the action performed in the sentence. So now we will start with the first type of first type of adverb, that is the adverbs of manner. So first one, adverbs of manners. Exactly the adverbs of manner tell us how an action takes place. So adverbs of manner tells us how an action takes place. For example, please enter the library quietly. So this quietly word tells us adverbs of manner. The second example, Sumit ate quickly. So in the sentence, Sumit ate quickly. So here, ate quickly. So quickly describes the adverbs of manner. So quickly is an adverb because it describes the manner. How does he ate? He ate quickly. So it tells us the adverbs of manner. The action is performed in which manner. In manner, adverbs of manner. Okay, now we will see the most adverbs of manners are formed by adding ly to an adjective. So if there is an adjective word like quiet, so quiet is an adjective word, we all know. If we add ly to quiet, it becomes adverb. Quietly, quiet plus ly equals to quietly. So quietly is what? Adverb. Quiet become adjective. If we add ly to the word, that becomes quietly, and the quietly is an adverb. Again, quick plus ly equals to quickly. Soft plus ly equals to softly. So here soft again adjective, and if I add ly to the word, that becomes softly, and the softly is what? Adverbs of manner. And one more requesting that in every sentence, if there is ly, most of the case, if ly is that, directly you should know that adverbs of manner. So in the sentence, if there is quickly, loudly, quietly, all ly words tells us that this is adverbs of manner. Smartly, loudly, all these are adverbs of brightly. All these are adverbs of manner. Now we will see the second types of adverb, that is adverbs of time. So it tells us when an action takes place. So adverbs of time tell us when an action takes place. So for example, he woke up late. He woke up late. So here late tells us that time. So late means what? Adverbs of time. Neeru visited me yesterday. Yesterday again tells us that adverbs of time. They go out to dinner weekly. So they go out to dinner weekly. So weekly here, weekly, this word describes when the action exactly happen. When the word exactly happen. So you may be maybe asking the question, or maybe the question is arising in the mind that ma'am, here ly is there and you are saying that adverbs of time, because week is what? Noun. If I add noun to ly, that becomes adjective, sorry, that becomes adverb. So they go out to dinner weekly. So here weekly becomes adverbs of time. Okay, so this weekly describes when the action adjective happen. When the action happen. So when the happen? Weekly. So they go out to dinner weekly. Priya went to gym today. So again today is what? Adverbs of time. Now we will see the example like tomorrow, soon, late, then, still, yet, and later are some more examples of adverbs of time. Now we will see the third types of adverbs, that is adverbs of frequency. The frequency means what? How often. So it tells us how often an action takes place. So at how often means what, how many times, like the newspaper is delivered daily. So daily, how many times, it means daily. There is no exact number. The frequency, the word itself tell us that how often. So daily becomes adverbs of frequency. Okay, so I sometimes go for a walk. Sometimes again here tells us that adverbs of frequency. Sometimes he play cricket. Again here in the sentence sometimes tells us that adverbs of frequency. The frequency means what, how many times, like there is no exact number, but it tells us the frequently, the how often. So in the another example, Rohan never smokes. Never smokes means what, again here never tells us that adverbs of frequency. Okay, it tells us the frequency of action. For example, now we will see the examples of adverbs of frequency. For example, usually, never, rarely, regularly, seldom are some examples of adverbs of frequency. Now we will see the fourth one, that the fourth adverbs of types of adverb, that is adverbs of place. So again here it tells us where an action taken place. So where does an action taken place? So where an action takes place. For example, now we will see the sentence example, like he sat down. Where does he sat? He sat down. So again it tells the, it show the direction. Where does he sat? He sat down. So down becomes adverbs of place. Second one, the bird flew away. Away becomes adverbs of place. He looked everywhere for my book. Again here everywhere becomes adverbs of place. Put the cake there. Again there word tells us adverbs of place. So here some of the examples, like here, there, everywhere, above, below and near are some more examples of adverbs of place. I hope you understood all the four types of adverbs. Now we will see some confusion, that some many times what happen, adverbs are made from adjectives by adding ly, as I already told you, like quite plus ly becomes quietly, and the quiet is what, adjective, and if I add ly to quite, it become quietly, and the quietly will become adverb. When the adjectives ends with y, we drop the y and add ly. This is the trick you should know. In the word easy, for example, easy, in the word easy, y is what, y is there in the word. If at the end, like if we drop y and we add ly, like easy will become easily. That become easily means adverb, and easy becomes adjective. Understood? Lazy, lazily. For some adjectives that end in le, we drop the e and add ly, or simply y. Whole, wholly, simple, simply. Okay. When the adjectives ends with the consonant c, we add a double l y after the c. For example, artistic, artistically, majestic, majestically. Okay, now we will see another section, that is the you should know the, you remember the trick. Some words remain the same whether they are used as adjectives or word adverbs. Early, late, hard and fast, these words never change because it remains the same whether in the sentence. If it is early, it act as adjective also and adverb also, it never changes. So this you should know. Some adjectives change their form completely when used as adverbs. If we use these words in a sentence as an adverb, it change completely, like young, youthfully, good, well. Okay, understood till here? Now we will see the table of adjectives and adverbs. Here in this table, how the adjectives changes into adverbs. So here gentle. Gentle is what? Adjective. And if we add ly and drop the e at the end word, end letters, then it becomes the adverb, how adjective changes into adverb, that we will see, like gentle, gently, bad, badly, soft, softly, happy, happily, beautiful, beautifully, lucky, luckily, graceful, gracefully, faithful, faithfully, responsible, responsibly, delicate, delicately. Okay, I hope you understood all about adverb. Okay, now your duty is what, you have to watch both video, part 1 video and part 2 video together to understood better. Okay, thank you.